All right, guys, this is actually in our prep area, and I have no power, so I can't get the slides out. I'll try and get them out tomorrow, but from everything I can see, this thing is in great shape. TV. I'll show you as much as I can. Nice big pantry closet here. And I'm right next up against this other trailer, so I can't even put this door down, but I'll show you inside of here. So there's a 2-slide. And the bathroom there. As you can see, I tried to hook up power to it here. I couldn't get it. All right, I'll send this off to Mark. And if you have any questions, you let me know. Bye.